Hi guys, here's PSC. Today I will introduce this 8-inch head unit car DVD player special for Volkswagen Skoda seat. Okay, you can check this front head unit, and there are two screws. Please take out before installing head unit. The volume and this knob button, this CD DVD player, and this navy phone button, SD card slot. There are two SD card slots, home button, back button. This and let me show the head unit. BSC is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Volkswagen logo. Any color you can adjust this panel. All apps are here. It's built in the Play Store. And let me check the settings. It supports the Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, and this 4G also supports 4G. You can visit our website. You can visit our website plc.com. And this is Z-Link 5 app for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Auto support OBD. This is radio. You can search radio station, connect the radio. This is the button. Okay. This car information. It will show the oil, seat belt, engine speed, outside temperature, and other information, original information here. Let me check the settings. Car settings, this base settings. Factory settings, stereo controls, built in the CAN bus decoder. But device you can check Android version, Android 12, RAM 8GB, flash 128 GB. It's high storage and speed. It's storage, you can check total 128 GB. It's sound. Display setting. Okay. and it also supports DAB. You need a DAB antenna from us, USB DAB radio. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This is password and Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. And search pair confirm. Your phone will get message. Please below it change the color, show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make a phone call.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通。
It work with
普通话请按
Bluetooth.
1，广东话请。
You also can stream music from your phone by Bluetooth music. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. This is DSP amplifier. Default music. Okay, it's music and this parking assistance. Also support parking assistance from your phone or from your car. C-Link 5 wireless Android and Apple CarPlay, you can play the video. You also can play the music. Play the USB. It's random, supports random. This DSP amplifier adjusts the sound. You also can play the local USB or SD card. There are two SD card slots. Okay. And built in the Google Maps, you can make the walk the music and navigation at the same time. It's the same time. Okay, this is split screen, supports the Google Map and music at the same time. Okay, and you also can play the video. This front view, the camera supports USB front camera. This video. This is 4K video. Okay, and this is a boot and speed clear memory. And Wi-Fi. Volume. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website blc.com, blse.com. Visit our website, contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.